In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a screen in Jira. If you're an administrator or someone who's just delving into Jira's functionalities, learning how to create a screen can prove truly beneficial for customizing your workflow and ensuring that your users have all the information they need at their fingertips. We'll walk through the steps together, and I'll provide some context and tips to help you along the way. Let's begin by accessing the settings in Jira. To do this, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a little gear icon. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of Jira. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Issues section. Don't worry, it might seem like there's a lot to take in, but I'll guide you through it. Under the Issues section, there's an option labeled Screens. Click on that and it will bring you to the area where you can manage and create screens. Screens in Jira are crucial because they define the fields you see when creating or editing issues in a project. Next, you'll want to click the Add Screen button. This is where the fun begins. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new screen. Choose a name that's descriptive enough so you and your team can easily identify its purpose later on. It's also a good idea to add a brief description to give further context into what this screen's role will be. Having this information clear from the outset can make project management smoother for everyone involved. After you've filled in the name and description fields, the next step is to click Add to save this screen to your Jira configuration. Once you've saved it, you should see your newly created screen listed on the page. Go ahead and click on the name of your screen to open it up. In this view, you'll be able to add fields to your screen. There's a drop-down list from which you can select the fields you want included. These fields are what team members will see when they interact with the screen, so think about what information is most crucial for your tasks and workflows. You can also rearrange the order of these fields. Just drag and drop them into the order that makes the most sense for your team's needs. This flexibility can be particularly useful if certain fields are used more frequently and need to be more accessible. That's it, you've successfully created a screen in Jira. By tailoring these screens to meet the specific needs of your workflows, you enhance the efficiency and clarity of your team's tasks. Remember that good organization and clear communication in Jira can significantly improve team productivity and project tracking. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Jira experience and happy organizing.